just getting started, it's all part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge.
Welcome. This is the LEKKER 38. Designed, built in the Netherlands. Today we're pushing our heart with twin-turbo YANMAR V8 370 horsepower. Here we have them. Two YANMAR, total 740 horsepower, twin turbos. Both paired with YANMAR stern drive. Low end torque, very fuel efficient, significantly longer range, and a deep diesel soundtrack. Lines are off. With the YANMAR joystick, docking and maneuvering is very effortless. So we're just sailing out of the harbor of Elburg. Maximum control with the joystick. Currently going on the waters, testing her out. Let's go. Okay, ready to go full throttle?
Just like the back of my hand, I can read you front to back. I could tell you want it bad.
Currently taking her out, testing her out. Two YANMAR engines. Going 37 knots right now. 3,800 rounds per minute. The fun fact about the boat right now, going full speed, it's just flying across the water. It's very stable. Looks pretty good.
Do I wanna be too? Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be?
All right, in short, the combination of the LEKKER 38 with twin YANMAR V8 370 horsepower and stern drives is just an excellent match. We're getting the outstanding performance of 40 knots, strong, low RPM torque, and very fuel efficient with a longer range. And moreover, these two YANMAR engines are also HVO approved.